let us learn about mirror formula and magnification. In a spherical mirror, the distance of the object from its pole is called object distance, that is u. The distance of the image from the pole of the mirror is called the image distance, that is v. You already know that the distance of the principal focus from the pole is called the focal length, f. There is a relation between these three quantities given by a mirror formula, which is expressed as 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f.
A concave lens has focal length of 12 cm. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 9 cm from the lens? Here is the answer. A concave lens always forms a virtual erect image on the same side of the object. Image distance v is equal to minus 9 cm. Focal length f is equal to minus 12 cm. We need to find the object's distance, which is u. Since 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, or 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f, which gives 1 by u is equal to 1 by minus 9 minus of 1 by minus 12. 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12, which gives 1 by u is equal to minus 4 plus 3 divided by 36, which is equal to minus 1 by 36. So, we get u is equal to minus 36.